In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print checks on QuickBooks. We'll walk through creating a check in QuickBooks Online and printing it on your pre-printed check stock so you can pay a vendor or reimburse an expense with confidence. Start by opening QuickBooks and going to the New button at the top or left of your screen. Choose Check. This opens the check form. First, confirm the bank account at the top. Picking the correct account matters because it controls the check number sequence and where the payment will clear during reconciliation. Next, select the payee. This is the person or company you're paying. Then set the check date to match when you want the payment recorded. In the Details area, decide whether to use Category Details or Item Details. Category Details post the amount to an expense or other account on your chart of accounts, perfect for things like utilities, rent, or professional services. Item details are used when you're paying for products or billable items you track by name. This keeps quantities and rates organized. Enter a clear description, the correct amount, and any memo you want to show on the check or in your records. Take a second to review the total and confirm anything that should be billable or class is marked appropriately for your books. When everything looks right, select Save and Print. QuickBooks will prepare the check for printing and take you to the print workflow. Choose Print Check. Before you click the Final Print button, load your check stock into the printer. Most businesses use voucher checks with one check and two stubs. Make sure the check portion is oriented correctly based on your printer's tray. Face up or face down can differ by model. If you're unsure, a quick test on plain paper can help you verify alignment without wasting a check. Hold the test page behind a check and hold both to the light to see how the fields line up. Now click Print. QuickBooks will send the job to your printer and apply the next check number for that bank account. After printing, confirm the check number on the paper matches what appears on screen, and store the check safely for signature and mailing or for your usual delivery process. If the output isn't aligned, adjust your printer settings and try another test on plain paper before printing again. That's all there is to it. Create the check, review the details, save, and print with confidence.